This time we're going out to Derroura Wood. It's a mountain bike trail but a beautiful walk as well, not far from Lough Corrib on the Wild Atlantic bus. Hey guys, it's Richard here, and I've just come up here to Derroura Wood. It's actually a bicycle trail, so not too far outside of Lough Corrib, and that's the view. Here back up into the wood, and anyway, follow me on up. Oh, just making my way through the forest here. Obviously it's a little bike trail primarily, but obviously open to walkers as well, so we'll see how we get on. So you can see here, Derroura bike here, and there's the little signs. So I'm going to, go along the bike trail. Obviously you have to take care because it is primarily for bikers. But if you're staying on the Wild Atlantic bus and you want to come out and have a nice walk in the forest, and eventually I'll show you, we'll be overlooking Lough Corrib. It's the place to come. This is a lovely walk, and really anybody can do this walk. Yes, it's long, but the path is pretty good, and I have to say that there's no major obstacles if you wish to do this. So we just come out of the little wood here, and there's another little scene that we're looking at. Lovely little thatched cottage there, and on up here into the hill. So yeah, it's nice, very fresh, and as I say, great to get out, great to get moving. I just stopped here on this little bridge. Water, so it's so calming and nice. Really enjoy it. As you can see, it's rolling hills, really, more than mountains or anything on this walk, and you actually look down onto the valley below as well, and to the lake. It's breathtaking views, and out to the mountains of Connemara. Of course, in the winter time you're not seeing the lovely colour that the heather produces in the bogs. It'll be May before the heather really comes into full bloom there, and again a lot of water in winter time running off the bogs and down the hills. Beautiful. Just walking along through this little wood here. This is a good walk, takes a couple of hours, and then you just see here there's obviously plenty of bog here, but we're heading in that direction, and at some stage we will get a view of the lake, Lough Corrib, that is. There in the distance, that's our first view of Lough Corrib here. One of the biggest lakes in Ireland, as I've said before in other videos. So we get our first view of Lough Corrib, and we're on the uppermost part of Lough Corrib here, and the upper lake runs up to a little place called Man Bridge, and there's a little pub and a shop there where you can get some groceries and things. And then the lower part of the lake to the right, going back down to the right there, brings us back to Galway City. But anyway guys, we're going to head on back down to the car now and to the car park. So I think you can see the different sort of terrains as we come along the track. Woodlands and lake views and little streams and rivers. Just give you a look at this. I mean, it's just the difference in the track is just so nice. It's varying all the time, you know. It's a great old walk. I mean, it's a good walk, and obviously I'd recommend you bring an old Sambo and obviously bring water with you as well. That'll be very important. Anyway, we keep on heading down. The beautiful mosses. It's so wet, but the air is so pure and clean here on the Atlantic Ocean on the west coast. There are just the different little segments of this beautiful walk, and the trees, the ferns, just absolutely love it. That was very enjoyable. You can see that the winter night is starting to come in here, and obviously I'm back at the cars again. So glad you joined me on this one, and stay tuned for my next Wild Atlantic bus adventure. See you soon. Bye for now.